Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to make this TinkerCAD circuit and test the voltages across the LED when the push button is pressed. So let's begin. At first, you need to select this circuits in tinkercad.com website. This website will be open and here you have to drag this breadboard in this environment. Then you need to drag multiple components. First, let's drag this 1.5 volt DC battery and then drag this LED and place it here on the breadboard, and we will require a push button as well, so I am placing this push button here. Okay, and now let's connect it with the LED properly. Okay, so we will see how this breadboard is connected internally. uh, this is the color of the wire, so I'm choosing the green one. This red wire will be connected with uh, this terminal of the push button. Here you can see how these wires are connected internally. And now let's change the color to black. So the black terminal, which is the negative terminal, will be connected with the LED, second leg of the LED here. And you can just adjust these wires like this. Now, as we know that LED has two legs or two terminals, one is positive and one is negative. The curved leg is actually positive. So we have to flip the direction because the circuit will be like this. From positive terminal, and positive leg will be connected with the positive terminal, and negative leg of the LED will be connected with the negative terminal. Then we can run the simulation and test if it's working or not. And here you can see the LED is turning on when we press the push button. So stop the simulation. Now we have to import this multimeter. So drag this multimeter in this environment. Okay, so definitely it has two terminals as well. First we will connect the okay, let's connect the red with the smaller leg and black with the bigger leg. So it will show a negative sign when we press the button. So let's see how it works. Just start the simulation and here you can see the negative sign is appeared. So stop the simulation. Now we will change the terminals. Let me show you. Just delete these wires. Okay, so the black wire will be connected with the smaller leg, which is negative terminal, and let's change the color to red. And red wire will be connected with the bigger leg, which is positive terminal of the LED. And now let's run the simulation, and here you can see now we are not seeing any negative sign. So when we press the push button and the voltage is across, the LED is 1.5 volts. So that's how you make the circuit in TinkerCAD. Thanks for watching.